In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets, a handy skill that ensures all of your data is easily readable without having to manually adjust column widths or row heights. Wrapping text is especially useful when dealing with large amounts of data or when you want to maintain a consistent sheet layout. So, let's dive in. First, open your Google Sheets document that needs text wrapping. If you don't have one up, take a moment to create a simple sheet or open an existing document from Google Drive. Once your document is open, select the cells where you want to apply the text wrapping. You can do this by clicking on a cell and dragging your cursor, or by pressing Ctrl or Command while selecting multiple cells individually. With your desired cells highlighted, direct your attention to the top menu and find the Format option. Clicking on Format presents a drop-down menu with various formatting options, essential for customizing the appearance of your data. From this menu, scroll down a little and find the text wrapping option. Hover over it, and you'll notice another submenu pops out with three choices: Overflow, Wrap, and Clip. Now, to effectively wrap your text, select the Wrap option from this submenu. What this does is ensure that any text within a cell will automatically adjust to fit within that cell's set width, creating additional lines as needed. It's an intuitive way to keep your data cleanly presented without having excessive column widths. After wrapping the text, you might notice that some of your rows have expanded to accommodate the newly wrapped text. If it's still not fitting quite right, or if you'd like to adjust the layout, you can easily resize rows and columns. Simply click and drag the boundary lines between the row numbers or column letters. Text wrapping can be a real lifesaver, particularly when you're designing a report or working with datasets that include a lot of descriptive text. By maintaining a clear and organized sheet, you enhance both readability and the overall presentation of your data. If at any point your sheet includes sections where you don't want text wrapping, perhaps some areas need to remain on one line, you can always go back into the Format menu, navigate to text wrapping, and choose either Overflow or Clip, depending on your preference. Overflow allows text to spill over into adjacent empty cells, while Clip truncates the text to fit within the cell limits. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can efficiently manage your data's appearance in Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work in Google Sheets a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.